Now coming on to the pathogenesis of Entamoeba histolytica. We'll discuss this under two headings, that is the first one is the primary lesions, that is the intestinal lesions, and the second one is secondary lesions or metastatic lesions or extra intestinal lesions. So coming on to the first one, which is the primary or intestinal lesions. So what we get to see is the trophozoites are liberated after excitation. They enter through crypts of Livercone. They penetrate columnar epithelium of mucous membrane. They reach subcutaneous or submucous coat. There they multiply and they pass into the various directions. They'll destroy the submucous tissue. Lead to formation of abscess, which will lead to the formation of ulcers. Now, how are the ulcers characteristically seen in the primary lesions? So the ulcers they appear basically, the second point, ulcers. So these ulcers, they appear either in a multiple manner or in a solitary manner. They are usually confined to the colon, so the distribution may be generalized or may be localized, that is they will remain in ileocecal region, or sigmoid rectal region. Now what happens is the earliest lesion which occurs is a scattered area which is brown in color, and it shows necrotic material, and it contains a large number of trophozoites. So what is the typical ulcer that I was talking about? You will see flask shaped ulcers in cross section. Now what we see is many small ulcers, they colsec together and they form a large brown colored mass of necrotic material. Now the superficial lesions, they heal without scarring, whereas the deep lesions, they form scars and they lead to strictures and partial obstruction. Then they'll thicken the gut wall, and then they will lead to a granulomatous growth in the intestinal wall.